Guys, welcome back to another hair review. Today's sponsor is Klaiyihair. We're gonna get into it. We have a wig cap, edge band, and of course the wig. This is a 7x5 Byebyeknots wig, and I think it's a finger coil here. Yes, 20 inches. So we're gonna get into it and see. The first thing we're gonna talk about is the lace. You see that lace? And it's 7x5, so obviously you can go ahead and do this one glueless, and I love that. This is how the end looks with the finger coil, where you can finesse it. Once you're done with the installation, you can go ahead and leave the ends like this, and I love that. Love how the curl pattern is. So we're gonna get into it. We also have the drawstring. You guys know I love all wigs with a drawstring because it fits any head size. This is how it is. All you have to do is pull it down so it is snug on your head. Doesn't matter if you have small, medium, or large. Now you can order any wig with a drawstring, and then you tuck the string underneath and you won't see anything. So that's it. It also has, for more extra security, a adjustable band where you can use this and adjust it, so you can go ahead and wear this wig glueless. But I'm going to talk about the hair more once it's installation time. Love how the lace is. Let's get into it. Okay, y'all, let's get into this wig installation. First things first, I do not braid my hair no more, so I'm just gonna put this back in a plait or something. Then we're gonna put the cap on, and then this wig should be super easy because it's curly, and I really like the curls and the finger coil on the ends. So you guys saw the wig, the finger coil at the ends. I really like it. Look at that. I love how they do this. So I think we're gonna do the same thing. Let's put this wig on. Oops. We have to make sure the wig is secure. That's the first thing. The wig comes with a strap, so I'm trying to make sure that the strap Okay guys, now this is the wig straight from the package. I love the finger coil, so I'm not gonna do anything to it. I'm gonna let it stay like this for now. I did add just a little bit of baby hair, but I love the wig. You don't have to spray your wig down because it's snug. And then remember, we have the drawstring, which I'm definitely gonna show you guys right now. But the structure of the wig, it's perfect. So this is a drawstring. All you have to do is pull it down. There's another piece that you pull down as well. And then whatever is left, you tuck it. And it should look something like this. So now it's perfect, which honestly, the wig fits my head and I'm a medium. So I really didn't need to do that, but everybody's head size is not the same. Love this. I'm not gonna touch it. This is straight from the package, which means the hair is perfect. They did well when they were making this wig. So I'm gonna leave it like this, and then I'll come back and show you guys how, just in case, because obviously the wig, you're gonna wash the wig, so obviously it's gonna change. All right, but for now I'm leaving it like this, straight from the pack. So Klaiyihair, you did this one. It's a closure. I told you guys that fit my head perfect. I'm gonna get on the road, and then I'm gonna come back a few hours after, and we're gonna see how the curls last. So stick around for that. It's been over, let me see, what time did I leave? 3. It's almost 8 hours since I did my hair. Yes, I did it from 3, and the time now is, I believe, almost 2 a.m. Yes, I waited. I was super busy. 2:05, a matter of fact, right there. And this is how we wore the wig. I went and did a campaign today, wore the wig. I did nothing. The only thing I did when I came home, I used these 2 clips, and because I didn't want them in my way, I pinned them out my face. Now, I'm gonna say something. I appreciate the curls and the wig so much, because these finger coils, they were asking me today if this is my real hair. I absolutely did nothing, and I wanted to show you guys that you can wear this wig without doing anything to it completely. Absolutely love it. It is a plus for me because the lace is still on, everything is good. Klaiyihair, you did that. Now we can go ahead and we can spray the front down and kind of finger coil it again if we want, but I feel like I liked how it looked, which I'm gonna add some mousse just for reference, but I won't be touching the rest of the wig because I love it. I recommend you using mousse so you can get those perfect curls and the finger coil, and you can go ahead, wrap it around your fingers. It's not going anywhere, and that is what I did. I think I need to separate it that way. To retwist and added some finger coil to it. Klaiyihair, you did this. I need you guys to check my description because the link will be there for this specific wig. I absolutely love it, and I will be rocking this for the new year. I want to show you guys at the back because I didn't have to touch the wig. Typically when I get a curly wig, I will go in and I'll wet it and restyle it. I don't know what they did this time, but the curls was curling. Okay, so let me show you. This is how it looks. I know you guys are seeing the finger coil at the end, which is amazing. There we go. Absolutely amazing. I will leave this wig as is. If you want, you can go in and you can pin the wig up. You can style the wig to your liking. I love it like this, especially because it has the finger coil. So thanks to Klaiyihair once more for sponsoring this video. The wig is amazing. Love, love, love it. And you know what? Because of the finger coil at the end, it actually is gonna last you for a few days where you don't have to worry about it getting trashy or anything like that. And that's what I love. Now, like I said, I wore this wig for over 8 hours and it's still intact. I just fixed the front because when I came home, I pinned it up so I could do what I need to do, okay? But anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. You need this wig because I like it. It's a new year, something fresh, something curly that you can get your day. I know a lot of persons have New Year's resolution, so this is the wig that you need, okay? It is perfect, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Let's show you guys how versatile this wig is. I will be doing a side part as well. Just a deep side part. I won't touch the coil, so even though it's a 7x5, you can do whatever you want. Wanting to show you versatility, it is side part. Look at that. So you can also make the wig in a side part. Absolutely amazing. It is a closure, but it's still giving. Okay, let me make sure you are seeing the part. It's that simple. And you can go ahead if you want to highlight it some more. I'm gonna go ahead and add makeup, just a makeup stick. The knots come bleached already, so I don't bleach the knots, but look at that. Okay, there we go. So if you want to turn it into a side part, you can as well. It is very easy. 7x5, which means we have enough space to do a side part. We can do a pin up, we can do whatever, but I love it. I don't know, I feel like I like a side part more, so I'm gonna keep it like this. But that is it, guys. That is it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.